webo, but wama wuyobo.
Oh, you men on Nasa, maybe, have you boy.
Oh, see, go now. When I want to go, anything we are ready, they account to the comment section.
Okay, I can't read comment section.
Olivie, I greet you specially, brother.
That is very, very
comment
good.
Section now.
Oh, me, my beggar,
Okay, Mudiane, Giagno, you know that very.
The Doboero,
Olivie, tiens, ami, aïe, vous dort.
making a day, what's that?
Go account to the comment section. You get screenshot, you get the comment section.
You are. So, come worry.
You want to send me money? What are we doing now? We are to send you a bill. We will make a
you born. Because you may wear a word. My brother was one year do one let me go see every time. Why?
Love letter Unuye.
Me wa we my brother.
One year do one let me go distract my see somebody.
Oh,
want send me baby like you know.
Me we so Wahala ye me.
Love letter. They go. I prefer bad one in the where you go get now.
Ovi me.
Never that.
Unoye.
Mana maybe mani bi do ma like ni ma concept.
Il vient de so. Ya o. If no my ya.
All of us we are doing our things. Why this my own tribe will just come here? Why do disturb my brain?
Olivie, Olivie, he sent the no. And about send the send the go WhatsApp the information. Check it. Omiania.
West.
No, la manager one. West. But after I check any the course for my my email this
yeah, I'm going to the room and I God will bless you.
Email me can send a big lion boy. We later. This is another specific now €250 a bit not 300. I don't know. I send
the big lion.
Yes, now yeah, I said yeah the quest. You make quest. I say I said that go see.
Yes,
it's good now. Oh,
I God will bless you.
Are you scared? A number one, I can write.
A number one, no be WhatsApp.
No, my brother.
Yes, no, you
don't
number 002.
I save it now.
I can't carry my brother. I'm going to room.
No, you can as in Igor and I know. We offer it first. We offer the okay. We offer. Yes, no, we are here. Not the important part. Before you go to because you know whatever you've been arriving, right?
Well, it's been Libya. Yeah, we keep picking out your phone.
Yeah.
Olivie, what's it been with Libya?
Well, they are going to so here no one where Baba here. That dog that dog you work when you're in government. So the other side you know is that boost. Lenny and one view mark really there via belly. So I soldiers in the Munale UN. So any now you're busted.
Okay.
Now then they fight. So you're not born here where innocence in where only Emma. Even I regan we is in okwe belly. When you are busted and you not good man.
I don't understand it.
So I have a soldier in Maniro ni Munale le UN. So you try to have all these four leaders in the when you have the country.
Okay, don't understand.
So your concept the Wahala man. Well, me as soon as you papa you black egbe.
But abusli we you. You do them.
Oh, Merodo. They are going to me. I say ye country now. Area ni me wa ye. Okwe Medina wo do me wa dia. Me
Ah, so okwe party wo do. Okwe party wo do.
Why? Area for the why? Even na be bi me no din. Me live area na gbera area vi. Area na
Area wo do ma. Iwe make Morocco la Libya gen area wo do ya yi.
Morocco border me hina. Area Morocco.
Yana. Yeah, Mawakin, okay, Morocco la Libya na Hakim. Algeria la Libya again.
Please guys, I need more gifters. Wahala, wa we go. Me a deliver you. Wahala, wa ma we get connection. Wa we give by.
Wahala, Obuna help my brother. God go bless all of you. We help.
Yeah,
what help? 1K, 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, something.
Akmomusa.
Ona shake body.
Olivie, Meritale, Olivie akingu na re ari go kere jo we.
Oh, we
say. Una try back. Una help. You know easy.
I can't go where.
Send them be boss. One man no go na.
Ma, where will boom mama?
Ile nu kokomo. Send them me.
Ile nu kokomo. UK, gile nínú we ni wo pa di me.
Gile, iwe nu record. Then that can't go.
Mona help am brothers. Pressure of now we contribute.
You are to break out for me.
Boss, follow me now.
Okay.
Send them.
We agu me.
Okay, then yeah, take back one now. Then
okay,
me follow where. If me follow when now, me follow when now.
If I let we no care now. You are can't environment. Please guys, let's go. Wahala, we go. Okure dia, always Wahala be around. Always supposed to go.
You said they are when.
Okay, you got finish your send your way.
Go.
Yo.
Mabo, when me ya.
Ya wa ro ya dey fine.
Da me ga o.
Also we can amen na where me I no get time.
O we ke no mama igiogbe.
Yes.
Mama la we bo, e ma ro no ma je we pe ya make. Et que nous devons avoir déjà ou avec le for visit tout et ben avec un win là-bas. Et de avoir ça. Non. A copérien ouais forme una gbera e ne wodo die ke. U were gbe age e ri ono e ni ataloni e ma ni no wa gun aban. Te ma no te obi hunta no ma e ri ma ya go ma gun. Ire ma bo gun aban na. O avere be gbina o i anji gbina ne.
We wa me na me ka
people. And mi opa ni ayi mi awe wa be gbe bi to gbe ugwe ibi edeso. Ama no we jo bono ma. Cause hunta na won eri anje yan ga ire yan to agbodan ye mi. O ma no we jo bono ma o to gbera. So wa wa ge yan wa gwa nyanga be o mu efua, o wa mu efua.
We go me ma understand man ibi edeso. Me ma je me ya distraction ma gbe.
We wa ge me ni no tago fulo we ko we wa fiefua. Uri o ma gbon yodugun. Eri ose.
Yan ga ire do me ni ya we ni mo we bi edo emi. Ma wala to tazi yan na do a u me.
No, ogioje adogeni awa agio mama savio.
Yes so.
Ogeni ni yogi yen meni ami wa ku e. Agbona na alatin efe ki adodo. Popu no re mama wu, popu ma wu. Popu ma wu. Abeg make dem carry their Wahala dey go. Me so if you do so awa mi efe. Iyan wa oreta awa lu e. Pase fe ni ya. We ave komo na wu ba ni ona pase fe ni ya. Egba mo nu we si ana lu e nyaga. O lu e we no nya fe. U kedo ya refe ni we ori wa ni kedo wu. O ma lu e be no bi ya lu e nyaga. O ma bo wa ne no ri o ma ya rudango okinapo wana ana agwo go wa ni. Eragun. Abeg let them get out. So everybody emi ya ma wa we send no ba ni gbe atol na bad.
Okay.
Nere UK ni ire Italy.
Okay.
Domi abeti ayan.
Okay, no wahala.
Man,
Okay, no
take
mama.
waya baba wa wese o.
Okay.
Acha o.
Láàrin ọ̀gá náà wé ríyìn gbìnà uye kọ wà hàn do ta wà ẹ̀dùn àsẹ́ndìgò àkáǹtì rẹ̀ bá àsẹ́ndìgò yọ ẹ̀kẹ́ mọ̀ wẹ́ yòdù fún ẹ̀ẹ́nù wẹ̀ náà ta lọ wùdọ́ wà hàn do ta àkáǹtì rọ̀ wẹ̀ bá rígò yọ ìyá gbẹ̀nà àkáǹtì yọ wẹ̀ bá rígò yọ. Ruda when na gbẹ̀nì nínú àkáǹtì náà rí kó yọ. You can climb. What are climbing? You want to climb upstairs. Wakinyata.
Oviye man, I am not against you. I love you as a brother. Igwaro yo man. Damn yo yo bonu so pon mami o no ri wan ne ona so aro vie e manori iri e mavirio.
Well, Larry, il show tout ni des problèmes. Show tout ni des problèmes. Il y a des problèmes où avec moi, mais oui tout toi ta we sorry o. Donc rien de gbe to anthology. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Why would not like to give person problem? They give person headache. Or one handle who you but why they could wanna distract him and who you but no matter why? Why I read do me? Yeah, why we go? Since if you cut out time and where and you get back, my brother, okay, very sorry, you had me your account or for you working guitar. What do you want? You want to distract people? Okay, if you do not, you see, you might go and sing.
Olivie, one of Germany, how your side now?
I did fine. Now happiness now we did here since.
Happy Sunday.
Thank to you. You don't go church.
I no go. How your way now?
Where they?
What think they play?
Nothing now.
Never see come for there.
Where you dey?
I dey Europe. Oh my God.
I think you got Nigeria account.
Nigerian account? How? I don't understand.
You get Nigeria account for Nigeria.
That one I know now.
I think you dey abroad. You dey abroad, Abi?
Yeah.
Okay. And Naira dey inside.
Naira dey inside, normal.
Okay. And that Naira now no get use. E dey there. Borrow me inside.
Which one I do?
I want to come where you dey because you ask me say whether I never still come.
Now money they hold you.
Since you keep the money for there, so you not get use. Borrow me.
Olivia, you be big man. How money will they owe you?
My brother, I beg, I don't like all those kind of things. No, all these things, they deceive me. Somebody where they deport, I can't be big man. I don't understand. When I notice when I lose, nothing follow me go Nigeria. All the business that I do for all of the day there. My clothes, nothing. See, this shirt when I wear, so now follow me reach Nigeria with my jacket and the trousers. I did inside house. Nothing follow me reach house. I don't know what to be deportation. I bet you want to be big man.
How much they talk for crossing now?
Bros, anything where you get, the money don't big now. If you not get from 1.7 up, you just rest. Except you want to found this
1.7.
Now up. That one said now. You just say maybe that one said now see manage one. You get one guy.
Libya don't cost now.
I say no go there. Don't hide. Nah. If you want follow the one where they settle, That one, they settle that man where they carry people for top of water 2,000 Libya dinars settlement for per person before you come pay your connection money. All this one, I see say that they push maybe all those 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. Those ones they not they settle. So anything we wanna see,
you bear on.
And Sunday where they carry like 1, 2, that boat they carry 40, they'll come put 60. Engine come spoil for water because it carry overload. So people don't understand how movement be here. Both they carry 40. Now you tell Arabu say I go pay 1.2. Arabu go find 20 people to feed the money.
Yeah.
Now you can't go carry overload.
Risking of life.
Thank you. That's why he says they'll say boat bust, boat engine spoil because the engine they carry 40. Now they can't give them 60. You understand?
Yeah. Who they not something for this?
Now what shop where I do now?
Okay, you did shop.
I can't date anybody who wants to support me at all.
Where the account dated?
You did there now. Look comment section. If you get anything, just support. Don't say big man. Make God let me be big man. Now the potential I face my brother and I manage a day. May not be like say I see go Nigeria and say the small money will follow me. Now I get 6 children and now I come to use like the worker. You get what person the big pass. Na keke na pe now go the enter. When I dey Lagos na keke na pe now the enter. I one day na so keke na pe wan go break my leg. Now say you know say money wey dey me I use am go buy car first. Me I take the waka.
Oh, wow.
I have to go for the position. They carry 6 children. They work and I can pay. I go the enter.
You know easy.
So now see carry small money. They me to go buy wetin I get.
Easy, seriously.
Olivie.
Baba. $158. No gift.
Germany too for couple.
Na lie. Not be only me. They don't see the poor people wey pass me.
Germany too for
One of my friend. One of us that did this. We did together. That one said the industry shaft with his children, with 4 children like me.
I know just like that. I know just.
When I see the advice, that one say come out. You not come out. In the Nigeria now.
I know just like that way at all.
In Nigeria now. You dey tell them. They don't want listing. Don't look and say never reach where you. They not get paper. Come out. That country get the way. Get one boy will say me and they talk. When I yesterday call me. Say the evil people will get paper. They want to remove black for their country. If you just say jam at the joke. Anything where they talk, they do one. Anything where they talk, they do one.
Olivie, if you even reason the Europe in general, they be say they're not even tire for black people.
They don't tire. That is the truth. Don't tire.
More tell outside the truth. That's why she say.
Don't tire.
Any little when you get now, all and well, because.
That's why you people say they'll say they're not the invest. Now before we go talk even though say na room and parlor, you feel good for your land. Take safeguard your land down. Some people go buy land. They don't know how to save land. You go buy land, you say never get money to build that. Go leave land there. You forget say that place don't open eye. The community go sell them. They will go. They don't say if you drag hand too much, they'll go give you for a side push. They never open eye. If you buy land, if you build 2 room and a parlor, kitchen and toilet, you know they keep money. Now where your money reach, you first use and put on for the land first. Look for person or tenant. Make it for the clear the compound to take safeguard the land down. And if you want to build that kind of house, not build that for the outside, build that for back. Let the space of the outside they big. In case anytime you take get money, if you can't build land put for the outside, for you to take save the land there. That's why some people go buy land or live land there, no build anything, put nothing. Community fit sell land. They'll come go give you for whenever open eye. As you buy am, room and parlour self-contained no dey hard to build. E no go cost you anything. Just for you to take safeguard the land down. Tomorrow, e get one woman wey dey deport me. The woman, e don dey like 2 weeks to travel. Na me go help the woman. Go, e come to make her help am go do some main ten ance for the house for Ogun State. They dey Germany. He say because he and the husband no get paper. But as they deport me, so they come dey reason am say the house wey they still get, make dem suffer go maintain am. They no know wetin go happen tomorrow.
Yes, so.
The house dey for Korodu for this thing Ogun State. Na me go help them before I comot. I go help the fix water system. They dey Germany. Na me go help the fix water system. Everything.
Really?
Na money I take dey buy fuel.
The way when you rotate there now, my brother, no get.
My own, my coming there. And every time they talk, and they come there because of paper. When I don't get my paper, I go build them, put up for ton of money. Nigeria, they go stay pass. They go MCG. I don't do get time to come stay there long again as before. Now me for call because say I go born children there. God already bless me. I get paper. I go kill them because of woman advice. Where would they go? Let me say I don't get paper. Let me put myself on this problem. But that kind of a mistake, I don't go make am again. This guy just dey call. Okay, tell me what you want. I beg, make una help me ask this bros. This boy na Benin boy. What you want? Now I don't understand. Bros, we are needing now.
Yes, you know. Now when you we are talking of Westerners. If not, can we go? That's one hour.
Yeah, it can wash in.
Okay, now.
This one not be human being. What this one are evil people?
What do you
Can't
want?
be this one.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know what that boy need. You know, say he and his wife they talk for the background.
Olivie say your wife.
The way he be, now so his wife still be.
Wahala.
He just they come here, come distract people who want help me. That's what they be. This some of my belief brothers, not be all. You know, say I don't pick. I know they see and the wife they discuss for there. In the morning now, I take start this video since early morning, since I be around after 10.
Say me you know insulting wife or.
It's a gaza Allah we. What you come find for here? Now God will punish you. You and your wife now you talk for the background. You know say I don't pick her. Jagaza Allah we. We will down. It's you what how we want. Kind of a useless people be this one. You not see one help me now come carry on wish come out. This platform look like your platform. I go do there in peace. They do my video. They will come here, come spoil my head. Let some people come here, since all of us do our thing, they still go. You drink ogogoro, you no go nowhere you wan go use am go disturb.
Oh my, no, not let am spoil your mood.
No ask me, no be happiness I dey here since.
Yes.
Okay, now who can I no know say I dey hear wetin my wife dey talk there.
Abeg. More gift and make for come back to a mood. That man just spoil him mood. If I not verse.
You hear say I don't insult anybody here since.
No verse.
Na person I go take your happiness from you.
Na get gift, more na gift a partner abeg. Make a pa for come back to your.
I dey talk here since I beg say I no see money to buy food for us. We no work, everywhere get e be. Now I tell you do this video here since. Now if I come, if you cross, no go fight, no go do something. I tell they fight. You hear say I join people wey dey do saga for social media. You don't ever see any video where say they fly, they go say na Olivie they do saga with person. Na come carry name wey no be person, you come dey wear person. What be this one? What be that?
That gift. Papa don't come back. Small yards the shake.
Okay, that's one be small yards the shake.
Yes.
Why did they call baby lion? Small yards the shake. Small yards the shake. Small yards the shake. My own the shake. My own the shake.
The shake, oh.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. God will bless you. My papa na soldier. Actually, small hands dey shake. My own don shake too. Oh, my happiness don come back. Oga, carry your wahala go. Abeg, no me buy vector for you. Abeg. And God go bless you. God go bless you for the small hands dey shake. And so they go do and one day they go give me lion. My enemy go enter bury ground. My beautiful sister, and God go bless you. You will see support me, say may they give me gifts. God go bless you. Now the pikin where you born, now you go dey born join. Please guys, let's go. Thanks for the baby yansh. Small yansh dey shake. My own side don't shake. Now do well. Now don't make my day. You know easy. You know say as Olivie come be. Now if I don't come back, I'll come look good. By that time, women will come to chase me. Hey. Now do well. When they do me like this, I go dey happy. You know easy. Me wey dey talk to na so I get life injury when I dey carry dey go for inside my lungs. When somebody take stab me for wetin I no know anything. No wetin I dey pass through. Only me one dey carry injury dey go. Only me one. Na yesterday for country wey be say risk. I no care. That is why as you see me so, people say I dey waka anyhow. I need this, so I don tire. I no care. Small yard dey shake. That person wey give me that small yard dey shake. Money will never come down in your account. Hello.
Olivie, I see you, my brother.
People is watching. Please, guys. The one that they go people platform, all this, the TikTok king, the comedy Agbovo, the brother Mike, the one that they pack gift for them, one that give me small. If I still get 50 euro for gift, not be bad thing. Not be bad. You can go a long way for me.
So Saga, this month, now the account number be that. I obey the exercise the name.
Help me the tap and two now for dinner.
Okay. Olivie,
how
far my brother? How you dey go now?
You dey go well.
Waiting down for that desert now. Give me gist now. I want to know how people they go for that side.
Oh, Wahala be this one.
Huh? Give me gist now. You don't know what I give me baby lion no. No. Give me gist.
Who baby lion? If
No.
they put it, they have to say Olivie talk. I go talk.
No, give me gist first. Give me
Why
gist.
would you do this?
Okay, don't give me gist.
Why?
Because I want
you to talk for nothing. You say ciao.
Are you dead here now?
Salam alaikum.
You give me gift. I will tell you what they happen.
No worry. You
I be seeing
Olivie,
I
you
be
believe
seeing
yourself now. You believe yourself. Give me gist. What did they have for Libya now? They care people for there. All those girls. What did they solve now? You know they follow those guys talk. They're going to betray themselves. Why?
Why?
Our brother,
Bro, where you dey stay?
Me?
Where you dey stay?
I did Kaduna.
You don't even know where you go. You yourself, you don't even know where you stay.
Olivie, what did they solve now?
The person where they find gist, you don't even know where they stay.
I don't tell you now which one you want to do.
You say you dey Kaduna, you dey abroad, you dey confuse yourself.
Okay,
Wahala dey find wahala.
Okay.
Wahala dey find wahala.
Okay, I dey abroad.
You dey abroad. What did they happen for abroad?
Man, okay, what hear my gist, Abi? Yeah, they sweet.
That one I come here for. If you know say you want give me gift.
I don't tell you. Me, I want know as they go for that side. So I go feel the people for here.
What did it happen here? No money to eat.
No, I say our sister, we dey enter Libya.
What if concern sister? Toto no dey that side. Leave Toto wey dey here and we get this one. Focus on that side.
I say, those people they tell them say they enter this side again, but they kill them now. They kill them. They die for this side. Now. It's not good. Olivia, you as there, it was it.
This guy don't know what he want.
That one never know what he want. My fish wala. What's that? Send him some carry.
You don't know what he want.
You know that one don't smoke. You just come.
You have said another land even day. Now I don't smoke.
You know, say you want to say Kaduna. You don't know where you want to talk. Where you come from?
You don't smoke Igbo.
May I give you gist later? You say people the bad days.
Olivie na CNN. You don't know where she want to get gist. Some people go just call person. Nobody.
Now the person dey worry menu.
Nobody know tomorrow. Make una help bra Olivie.
Leave them. Make I come now. They come. They say they want come take picture for free. Oh God! Before you go take picture, oh money come. Oh money. Now that time when I come, they call me Olivier. If I invite me for a party, I go fry meat, I go fry chicken, I go buy my drink, put for bag.
Olivie, if you enter,
I will carry all of the spoon when I go take the eat. All go to inside my bag, 247.
Olivie, if you enter, come in the land.
Hi.
They want to do this stuff for you.
Oh God, you never will transport me, so make I come in the land. Let transport me first.
Transport you know will be issue, no worry.
You never will transport me, but you will get 10 coins. Even me myself, I will bless you already.
I don't know who give me hope. Olivie, if you're not that man.
Me, I don't bless you already now. So you don't get 10 coins.
They don't even have to join now.
Okay, they don't have to join now. That means me still pass you already with that. I thought on my platform give you 12 coins. I don't pass you. They don't add 18. I say me myself, see better pass you small. Baba God, I see person when I see better pass you. You don't see get coins.
Olivie one.
Man, don't mind me, oh.
Olivie,
Eh?
that you were later than Magua, I consider some vital information on our past.
Okay, no wahala.
Okay, well, one love. I agree with
Okay,
you.
let's see. Please, so make that account dey there. I'm gonna put small thing now.
Olivie, if not, I also brown. If not, and that's
Bro, not too far. No.
You know, see now. You wait first.
No,
wait now.
No,
wait
bros.
first.
No,
wait.
No, bros. No, I don't agree. I know so let me get the money. No.
You wait first.
Thank you, yes, ma'am.
You wait first. You wait. You know how Euro they be now. You know.
But you get money for account now.
That of Nigeria. If I tell you say no, then if you say they lie to you.
You don't get.
Now make me they tell you say maybe you let month end. So if I tell you say no, then if you say they lie to you, the reason I say they lie to you.
Month ending. And I made that guy talk and he say people in Europe, he say they send them money, they send for 2,000. He say people are not letting you say no, come back home. Now you go get that guy not correct.
Oh my that one. Olivie, no mind that one.
You say my brother don't let you stay, come back home. I know that comment you now use how they do.
You know say now when they do monthly salary like this.
I know say abroad not easy now.
Yeah, now monthly.
You are not beginning where everybody did before.
Monthly. Liar.
Please guys, wanna support me with gift. Please, I am begging. I will soon go offline. I don't try since. I don't tell you. Now money for food I can't beg here since so I never ever get better money. Nothing. That bro, I got broke. There's that bro to give me. That bro send me 35,000 yours now. He try.
Yeah.
Yes, now. You know, say he don't give me gifts since he sent me 35,000. Yeah, 42. This now 42 don't like this video since I been let me power tap me. Abi
35,000 now. Like how much would that one for dinners now?
Like 140.
Well, then I don't really go down.
Yes, like 140. Yeah.
Then I don't really go down. So no worry. As I tell you, so I not already promise you, and I must do it. So now next week, just 2 weeks. You know, see if God feel show anybody love at any time. Once if now before the money enter my hand. I feel still day your life. Not be your account day here, so.
Wallahi, mess they hungry me.
Olivie, they mess for life.
What happen?
No, nothing.
Now you're saying I mess 9 kilo Ibo.
No.
People they made a cut down one.
Now we that feeling we life now. What about you?
Up there no say. Jegbe to a omi emi evade. Up there no say. Mere ma fiun we life de kere ma na fiun. Me awe we careful. Ni me ugo life na on rien say.
I swear.
On rien say. You know say we comedian, we not the shame
at all.
I don't get time, my brother. I see you. Not get time.
All these guys when they do this comedy, when they get all these BB cars, this BB house for Nigeria, I don't think they know their house.
Now mumu that they do, now mumu something more. Let me tell you something what you don't know. You see people in Europe, they waste their data.
Yeah.
Live video, money not day. You see all this live video I do, so money not day. Now content where you post, After you don't do the video, you can't post them. First, you go there, go the watch channel. That one that they pay for.
Okay.
It's just like say you buy data now. You go use and watch me. Now those data where you can't watch my video. Now they gather where they can't they pay people. All these Sabinos, all these people, now the data will not they watch them and then they get their money.
Yeah.
Because now that's why system they make money. Why people they abroad not they make money for social media? Why? Because most people think they watch them for abroad and Wi-Fi they tell they watch them.
Yes.
Money not there for Wi-Fi. Now data people when they load data.
Yeah.
I greet everybody.
When I go Nigeria now to experience that thing, I did for abroad. My page no work €100. When I reach Nigeria 3 months, my page my Facebook come that $2,750.
Imagine.
That time I all this comedy when I come they do, I come they post time. Where money they come they gather. Money I come they say why this not really bring money for abroad? Because that time people in Nigeria now they watch my video.
Because all those one are data that they consume daily.
Thank you. That's why you see say if any content creator want to make money, you have to stay in Nigeria. For abroad, money not there. You don't ever see all these people
because majority of them are free Wi-Fi.
Thank you. You never see people wait there for abroad. When all these people when they do saga, you don't see they don't bring Marshall come out one day.
Never.
But if they want make money, that their page, when they go Nigeria, they go blow. You see, huh?
Yeah, now the difference with this.
Now the different way people don't know. Now when I go now, call experience and say, now content, all these people that they post
that one are normal now. People
really they teach people, but they don't appreciate you. You they teach people,
all this one, you they waste their time for there.
They show nyash, they show breasts.
They just they waste time, money not there. If you want to make money, if your page don't grow, go Nigeria. Once your page don't get advice, don't grow, just go house.
The way when they educate people, and there's also they pay you. I swear.
My page not work €1. When I did there, and when I reach, I come they say, the time when Nigeria data come they wash me, all this money come they come. For example, now you go buy $10,000 data, you can't take and watch my video. Your $10,000 don't go my account. Now there, Facebook they see money where they pay people. Okay, now you understand.
All this one went full Europe. They use a free Wi-Fi. Now they say no level.
Who is it that don't show you their mansion?
Not there.
Those one get view past people who in Nigeria. But now people in Nigeria they make money. Money not there for abroad. You don't say these people they do video. People in Nigeria they do video. Why these people never make them? Because of they live in Western world, money not there.
They buy houses, they buy cars.
Now, if you want to make money on Facebook or this social media in Nigeria, Africa, because of now that how this one they use, they watch. Because the moment it's better, the area where you do Facebook go they share and they give people who in Nigeria there. Because then they accept that they make money. Because you now they are just like you they make money for Facebook.
Oh wow.
Now so it be. I beg, I need more gifters. Nobody they don't able to the gift said don't dry. Well, you don't know Nigeria. They know say this thing follow me reach out. All of the find where they want God their life.
Our people.
I don't do anything. No. They go to report my Facebook. 500 or something people now report them.
Oh, but they want bring her down.
Because we don't they work again. They report her now.
Why not?
They report her. 500. This one we say that if they report your page, Facebook will show you everything there.
Yeah.
500 or something. Also say this guy, the deporter still get Facebook. For where you want chop this money for Facebook?
They no try. Heaviness when all they pay.
Ask me the money when I work for abroad. Na me no get paper where they deport. Na me una see they report in Facebook. Una for come kill me. That's why I thought say if I come abroad, na long spoon I will tell you follow people chop.
You say that long spoon because you don't trust anybody again. Oh.
Yes, so thanks for the gift.
I'll give you heart.
But the reporter.
Oh boy. No. We need to show love. We are all humans.
I tell my 11,500 for the starting big price. Stay away from them. So single.